is sitting there. See, they are stringing the OPGW wire, which is nothing but an optical ground wire. See, the person is sitting there. This is a Bangaigao line. So the ground wire is coming all the way from there. See, in all the towers you have people working. So it's very small. You can see there. See, this is how they do the work. Actually, it's very far. You cannot shout at them also, because if they shout also they will not hear anything. So what we do, we use the walkie-talkie for talking. They're the person, and see from here you can see 3 number of towers, and plus with the one where we are standing, we have 4 towers. But in spite of that, you are able to see people working there. Very small from here. You see, this is a very risky work, but that has been I think compensated enough in the form of financial benefits. Okay, so this is a 400 kV tower. You can see it's very big as compared to the trees down. Size is nothing, the height is nothing, because this is very high in the air. It's about 40 meters from the ground, so it's quite high. These are 400 kV towers. So this stringing is going on up to this substation. It's a 400 kV substation. A man there is pulling the ground wire, which is actually combined with an optic fiber. And then these are the people waiting here to give direction, to give ground support. Look at that man, that worker. He is I think taking a video or selfie, or I think he must be doing a video call, because I think he feel on top of the world, because it's quite high in the air. Plus you know, there I think the temperature, even though it's hot down, I don't think so you experience the same temperature there, because you get a heavy wind also. See, as compared to the tower, the people there, the size of the people will be very small. And also, just to remind you that this is what they're doing is live. It's live wire on live wire. The real power flow is taking place. That means you did not take the shutdown. The power is still is flowing, because the line is live. No shutdown was taken, so everything what they're doing is on live wire, on live conductor. But for their safety, in the morning the auto reclose function from the relay has been disabled, so that if in case by mistake they touch the conductor, in that case the line or the breaker will not auto reclose or restore. The breaker will trip, and that is the additional safety that has been done from the substation side. So they enjoyed working. You can see the towers. And just to remind you once again, this is a 400 kV, or you can call 4 lakh volt. So it's very it's a big voltage, ultra high voltage.